Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can copy text from screenshot in Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to take a screenshot of this text and I'm going to use the snipping tool. You can choose this camera icon and for example, I'm going to take screenshot of the first paragraph of this text. Okay, and now the screenshot has been taken and then I'm going to open up the screenshot. Okay, I'm going to select this menu. Okay, this is the result guys, and if you want to select the text and you are going to copy it, you can click on the text action. Okay, and then here you just need to click on copy all text, and now all the text has been copied and I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to click on paste. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to copy text from screenshot in Windows 11. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.